So today, we're going to be installing the official Chrome OS made by Google on a Windows PC, and we're going to be using the new Chrome OS Flex project to accomplish this. So all I need to get going is a USB flash drive and a PC. Now plug in your USB drive into your PC, open up Chrome, go to the Web Store, search for Chromebook Recovery Utility, and just add the extension. Simple as that. Now, open it up, click the Get Started button, select model from the list, Chrome OS Flex on both the drop-downs, continue, select your USB drive, continue, and finally, create now. So now it's going to download and flash the Chrome OS image onto your USB drive. It usually takes around 10 to 15 minutes to complete. Once that's done, plug the USB flash drive onto the computer that you want to install Chrome OS on. Now, turn on the PC and hold on the boot menu hotkey. So the hotkey can vary depending upon the motherboard. However, a quick Google search will fix the problem. So once you're in the boot menu, just select your USB drive. Also, there is no option to choose particular disks on which you want to install Chrome OS on. So you have to open up your PC and manually plug out the hard drive that you don't want Chrome OS installed on. Now, just follow the instructions that the installer provides you to finish installing. So after your computer has been shut down, plug out the USB drive and turn your computer back on. Now we're going to boot right into the setup screen of Chrome OS Flex. I was going to ask you to sign with your Google account and a bunch of other stuff. And basically, we're done. Now it's time to test the performance of the machine. Everything is very snappy. Opening Chrome just takes a millisecond, unlike Windows, which takes an entire minute. It efficiently renders 4K YouTube videos, all while screen recording. And it performed some gaming tests by installing Minecraft, and it was surprisingly playable at around 60 to 70 frames per second. And I couldn't play mobile games, as Chrome OS Flex doesn't support Play Store. So alright guys, that's all for today's video. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button and sub to my channel by clicking here. Or watch a video where I show you how to install Play Store on Windows 11. So, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Goodbye!